Hello YouTube. I really hate my camera. I just want to go bam, 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 and you can see I have a dishwasher which I have to clean out, and it's pretty much. So I'm going to do that, and I thought, well, why not make a video of it, eh? And you can see here I have my Coca-Cola glass. Cool. And well, there is Coca-Cola, so I'm going to drink it just before I'm going to do my task. So I'm a really fast drinker. Well, let's start, shall we? Hey, who's that man? Plates. Planks. Yeah, we have a cheese grater, or grate. And then we start with the bowl, a filter. Maybe coffee, maybe not. Another Coca-Cola glass. Then we put in the coffee glasses and a sharp thingy. Another coffee mug. My mug is amazing. Knife. Well, that's all we have today. It's 26 minutes of footage. Not for you though, I'm going to cut it down. Bye!